Hey guys, it's Miriam. Some users might notice that CRM redirects to a mobile website. So some users that go into CRM will put in their URL and then it will resolve with a /m at the end, like I have up on my screen. And if you have this issue, there's a super easy workaround for it. So you might not be able to get any of your browsers to come up with the right version. Not to worry, simply change the URL and then mark that as a favorite or save it. So what I'm going to do here is actually just change the URL from /m to /main.aspx. So what I'm doing here is I'm explicitly telling it what website to go to. That's going to give me the full web version rather than the mobile version. Once you have this version successfully up, simply save this URL and use that rather than typing in the URL explicitly in the future. Join me next time for more tips and tricks on Dynamics 365.